Now let's look at what it looks like to create new items on the map. So if you hover your mouse over any page, you have these options. You can click plus on any of the 4 edges, and that's going to create items above or below. Now, typically you're just going to click blank, and that's going to create a blank page. In this case, below. You could create a blank page on the side here, but you could also click plus and you could use AI, and then it's going to create several pages just using an AI prompt. Or you could also do www, and then you can paste a URL or a sitemap.xml file, and then it's going to generate a whole layout based on that URL. If you use this, I recommend using the sitemap.xml, and then it's going to give you generally better results than just using the URL. So a way you might use this is like if you create a brand new project, let's just pretend like this was the home page, and you want to basically copy an existing site structure. So you would just click the www, and then you would paste in your address slash sitemap.xml, and then it's going to create your entire set of pages underneath that. Now, you can also add what's called a label. So a label is just what it sounds like. It's not a page, but it's an item on the layout, and you generally use this to help you like group certain things together. So a way I might use this oftentimes is, let's say this is like my core website, but let's say I also have a bunch of landing pages. So I might want to drag this over here and just say that these are landing pages. And now I can create a bunch of pages underneath that I know, because these are marked landing pages, that they're not part of my main website navigation, but they are additional pages that I'm working on. And I might also make a label for, let's say, like ideas. So maybe these are pages, I don't know if I'm gonna make them or not, or maybe I even just want a place to kind of add some sketches and things, and these are just ideas. So those are kind of how you might use labels as well. So it's just a way of helping you organize things.